Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Sausage Casings 103, Preparing Your Casings. So now you understand the basics of sausage casings and you've chosen the correct casing for the product you're going to make. Now each type of casing has its own properties and needs to be handled and prepared differently. So we're going to go over how to handle and prepare each different type of sausage casing. We're going to start with the easiest one, and those are collagen casings. Most types of collagen casings are edible and require no preparation, no type of cleaning, no soaking, no nothing. You just take them out of their package, put them on a stuffing tube, and start going. The moisture from the meat's actually going to rehydrate them during the cooking process, so there's nothing you need to do with that. Now there are some types of collagen casings that you do need to do a little bit of preparation for. These have to be soaked in 15% salt solution, that's 15 degrees Celsius, which is 59 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 minutes before being used to stuff. That's going to do the same thing it's going to do for a fibrous casing. It's going to make it pliable and give you a nice, full, even looking product. Now, these are extremely strong, so you don't need to worry about blowouts when you're stuffing them. Just go as hard as you want. Now, cellulose casings are made from a plant material and they're ready to use right out of the package. Just put them on the stuffing tube and go ahead and start stuffing. These casings are inedible and have to be removed before eating, but after the cooking process. Now, luckily, these have a nice black stripe right down the side of them, so it's easy to tell whether it's on there or not. These casings are really strong, so blowouts are not a concern. Fibrous casings are a dried paper-like casing that need to be rehydrated before they can be used. To do this, fill a bowl with water in between 80 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit and let them soak for 30 to 60 minutes. We recommend that you only soak as many casings as you're going to need to use, but if you do soak too many, just leave them out, let them dry, and you can soak them again for future use. Now, fibrous casings are really strong, so blowouts should not be any type of concern here. Natural hog casings will require the most preparation out of all these. If you purchased a home pack, either hog or sheep, they're going to be packed in salt. This means you need to flush the casings as well as soaking them for an hour prior to stuffing. I've found the easiest way to flush these casings is just to hold one end under a faucet with slowly flowing water and let the water find the opening. Once the water has begun to flow into the opening, then you can easily just hold it open and let the water flush the inside of the casing. Trying to pull the casing open is just going to be too hard, and at least my hands aren't that dexterous. Now, if you purchased the 100-yard hank of either hog or sheep, all you need to do is rinse all the salt on the outside and let them soak for about an hour, and again, around 80 to 100 degree water. Now, when loading these onto a stuffing tube, some of them will have plastic sleeves that make it a lot easier to get the casing on and get that plastic off. Once your casing is fully loaded, you need to grab that plastic sleeve and pull it out, and you'll have just your casing left on the tube. Now, this is a natural product, and therefore they are prone to blowouts, certainly more than you would have with either collagen or fibrous. The best thing to do is just be careful not to overstuff them. You have to leave them a little bit understuffed, that's fine. You can always twist them a few more times to plump them up during the linking process. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.